Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been ages. It's been like a month or something. Well, actually in reality it's been like 3 months since I filmed videos, if not longer, maybe even 4 months. But I am back with a Shein haul, and I do love doing these, to be honest, and I just think they're fun. This video is sponsored, but that is not why I'm doing it. It is literally because, as you have seen, I'm trying to put on this top up while I'm here, but I just really love Shein clothes, especially for the summer. You know, when you just want to try out new pieces, you want to try something different. Shein is a place I always go to try things out. Like if there's dresses that I really want to try out, it's the place. Same for when I was pregnant. If you want cheap trendy clothes, Shein is the place. I've been shopping there since about 2011, 2012. Absolutely love. Okay, not 2011, I think 2012. I've been loving the website since. Huge fan. And if you guys don't believe me, I've got videos that weren't sponsored from years and years ago. The thing is, I feel like this top will look nicer without the black top underneath. Anyway, let's get right into it. So this is going to be a try on haul. Let's hope it works out, because already it's taken me almost an hour to get started, just because I just didn't know what to wear underneath that was gonna suit all the clothes. But then, like, I didn't want a big turtleneck because there's dresses and it's gonna look weird. Black, you know, I don't really look that great in black. In the end I went with black. It's short sleeve, which is a little bit annoying because when I'm putting clothes on, like, I wanted you guys to see it properly. But anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so this top is a little bit unflattering, so I don't want to show you the whole thing, but I really want to show you the sleeves because they are just so gorgeous. The sleeves on this are super cute and pretty, and this is what they look like. And the fabric is really nice. It's satin and it's a stretch, so it's really stretchy, which is nice. But I think I would wear like a dungarees dress on top of this, maybe, because I feel like the satin accentuates some areas that I don't want it to accentuate. This might look pretty cool if you just have it like this. But yeah, anyway, I love this. I love this top. It's just that it's a little bit tight. Okay, so this is the next top, which I absolutely love this top. It is so gorgeous. Like, look at those sleeves. Basically, I am really, I don't know why I said basically, I'm really impressed with Shein's like, these satin tops are so cool. Let me see how I look in the mirror actually. Yeah, they look so cool, like in a shoot or something. Oh, I haven't finished doing this up because I just thought, you know what, it's gonna take far too long and it's gonna be just so fussy to do it now. I just want to get on with the video. But this is basically like how it looks like. Like, how nice is this? I love the Edwardian detail to these sleeves. Like, it's so gorgeous. Once again though, what is going on with the neck? Like, I don't like the neck situation going on here, because they should have just did a full neck, honestly, because they're not doing nobody any favors with this neck. Like, what even is this? Obviously, if you're not a hijabi and you've got your, like, what is this, your clavicle, got your clavicle out, it is sexy and it is nice, but do I look like I'm gonna have my clavicle out? No. Anyway, here it is. How does that look? That's actually really cool. But yeah, I want to, and this is what the back looks like. The fabric is gorgeous. It's such good quality. Like, it's such a nice thick satin. It falls nicely. It was really nice and easy to iron. I really like this top. Just hate this thing, but I really want to use this in a photo shoot. So the next one is also a top, and it's one of these. This was like all the rage last year, but because I was pregnant, honestly though, I feel like I should have worn this last year. Why didn't I? But I thought, because I'm pregnant, I'm just looking huge. I was so, like, if anything, I feel like this would have worked better with my bump, because it's quite nice and it falls in the right place. I should have just tried it. You know, with me though, the thing is, when it comes to trends, I don't like to wear what everybody's wearing. Like, there's some things I do want, but then there's some things where I'm just like, you know what, I don't want it because everybody's wearing it. And then, like this top, I end up getting it 10 years later and like loving it. So this year I'm just like, you know what, if there's a trend and I like it, I'm just gonna get it. But I haven't been sticking to it because Primark was doing those basket bags and I didn't get any because I was like, oh, I'm so sick of them. But this is what the top looks like. Does it look okay? It's a little bit big. That's the only thing, is it is a little bit big. I should have got a size smaller. I think I got a size large. Did I get a large? Is this a large or a medium? I think this is a medium. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Like, I think it looks so cute, and I feel like with a skirt, yeah, with a skirt, this could look so nice. Like, there we go. What do you guys think? So far, I'm loving the pieces. This dress on, this is what it looks like. I'm trying not to get my makeup all over the place. Right, let's see. Oh, okay, it fits nicely. Did I get this in a large or a medium? I don't remember. I think I got this in a large. Oh, there's a zip on the side. I didn't even realize that there was a zip here. Okay, I could have easily gotten it in a size smaller, but actually no. I'm glad I got it in a size. I believe it was a large, simply because it means it's like all the way to the floor. Whereas if it was a size smaller, it might have been a bit shorter. So this is what the dress looks like. It's super pretty, really flowy. As you can see, it absolutely is super long. Oh my god, you know what I look like? I look like, if I was in a play, I would be like the farmer's daughter. This is basically the farmer's daughter look. That's what it looks like, but I really like it. And the funny thing is, like, the shoot that they did with this, she was literally sitting like on a hill with lots of grass in the background on like a rock or something. But I do like it. It's really cute. It's really nice. I love how modest it is, and I find that like with Shein, they do have a lot of modest pieces. I was a nightmare to iron, but after I ironed it, it just looked so nice. So I'm excited to try this on. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. I have no idea what it looks like, by the way, and the camera is way too far. I kind of need to stop going so big, but then I do like, actually no, maybe not, because I do like the size. I'd rather it be a little bit bigger and it looks nicer rather than super tight, and it's just, I hate it when things are tight. It's just so unflattering. Like, a dress always looks nice a size bigger than it does a size smaller, and then it just hugs you in all the wrong places. Okay, I'm not going to button it all the way down, but you guys get the gist of the dress. I think I'd wear this like on a really hot day because I don't need to wear anything underneath. It's not see-through. I'd wear it with this belt like this, have it tied at the back. This one, I feel like this belt is supposed to be at the back like that. That's the most flattering. Okay, so the next one is this cute dress. Once again, very hard. I didn't realize how farmhouse all of these outfits were, when I was choosing them, like I wasn't going for a theme. I was kind of just picking out colors and shapes and silhouettes that I wanted to try that was something different, but I didn't actually realize that they were so farmhousey like. It looks like I am literally about to milk the cow, and I'm not milking no cows, so there we go. I do like this. It's a very Little Bo Peep style dress. Here, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So it's just below my knees. It's an A-line dress. I like this. I like that it's not see-through. Yep, it's not see-through, which is great. I can just wear like leggings on a hot day, which means this will be nice for a hot day. This one's in a size medium. I'm not sure yet what the other one is. Right. So this dress is a style I really wanted to try out and see how it looks on. The only thing I don't like about this dress is the fact that there's no like underskirt or anything, and it's like absolutely see-through, which is really annoying. However, I love this dress. Like I thought it would make me look really big and fat, but it's not. I don't know what does this area look like. Yeah, because I was really worried about like this area just making it going like really poofy like this, but it's not. It's actually sitting quite nicely. I really like this dress. Once again, I feel like I'm about to go into the, I feel like I'm about to run into the hills and start singing some sort of song, but I feel like this with a hijab would look so pretty. It's the perfect length as well. It literally hits my ankles. So this is really nice. I love it. Okay, so I got both these dresses in a size medium, I guess. I wonder what the large would look like on. Okay, I'm stuck. There we go. Right. Okay, this one you can actually see how see-through it is, and I feel like you have to wear something pink underneath without it looking so see-through, like in a bad way. Right, it fits me exactly the same, which is great, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I love this pink color. It's so pretty. I feel like Little Bo Peep has lost his sheep. That's exactly what I feel like. But it's really cool. It's really cute. I really like this. I have a birthday to go to, but I don't know if I could wear this because the theme is safari. There's not really much safari about this. And then the last piece I got is this. This is a size medium and it's like an overcoat, but I actually don't know how it's gonna look on top of this dress, because I was thinking of having it like this, but the sleeves on this are quite loose and on this they're quite tight. So maybe if I do this, they'll look better. This is a really nice jacket, like just on its own, I feel like, not with a dress. This is what it looks like. It's got buttons, but they're fake. You can't actually close it. I got this belt, but I don't know. Okay, this belt is quite nice. Yeah, okay, but I wouldn't wear this belt. I'll get like a much skinnier belt. Just have it like this. Anyway, what did you guys think of this kind of new setup of filming and like the try on bit and everything? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will make more videos like this. I've been MIA on YouTube because I'm ill. I've been so ill, And also I've kind of been, I'm not gonna lie, I've been really disheartened because it's really weird, but I get so many subscribers, but I don't get that many views anymore. And a lot of people have messaged me and they didn't realize I'm still on YouTube, and even though they're subscribed to me, they're like, your videos aren't coming up. So all those people that subscribe to me, they're not getting my videos in their subscription boxes. So make sure you click the notification tab bit of YouTube so that you can get alerted every time I upload a new video. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this, let me know and I will, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.